Good afternoon out there. Welcome back to another submission of Sultran Gardens. Thank you for tuning in. Quite an exciting day today. As you can see around me, I have marked and outlined for a small pond. If you can see behind me right here, a few years back I did put in just a big rubber bucket for a small, very small rudimentary pond. It served me quite well. Today we want to expand on that with new things to come for the Sultran Garden. In the UK, it is very common to have some form of a small garden or water feature in your backyard. A lot of people out here keep koi carp and all specialized types of fish. What I'm kind of looking for is I'm really interested in, hopefully attracting frogs and tadpoles. I would really like to see some frogs and tadpoles make their home here, and also we'd love to see the dragonflies. So I'd love to be able to palm off to you that I am some sort of DIY junkie. Truth be told, I can hardly tie my shoes sometimes. So this may not be a how-to video, but more a how not to video. In addition to the pond, I'm also putting a pergola right here and a few poles back there, just to kind of seal off the room, to create some more vertical space for me to grow some stuff on, some vertical climbers and stuff like that. So let's see how it goes. And again, thank you for joining with me on this journey. Again, don't be afraid to push subscribe, okay? Thank you very much. Take care.